Two grey hornbills. Wow. These are children of grey hornbills. Above still a child is there. Wow. No, that is not grey hornbill. Oh, that is also grey hornbill. Oh, wow. Today they are 50 feet high.